What's up everybody, it's Andrew Cuts here. In this video I'm going to be unboxing a clipper and trimmer combo by Suprent. This is their Fang clipper and trimmer combo. I've been using this set for about 2 weeks now and I've been really blown away by it. I've tried a number of Suprent's products and this is by far the best one that I've used. It seems like every time they come out with something new, it just gets better and better. So as you can see right there is the trimmer. It's extremely sturdy, very high quality. In a second you're going to see the U-shaped blade as you see there, and that U-shaped blade, it increases the cutting area by up to 30%. You can really see when I'm using it, it really cuts through bulk without any issue, and I'm finding that it removes the bottom layer of a skin fade much more efficiently than some other trimmers that I've used in the past. As you can see, I'm turning it on. A really unique feature, as you can kind of see right there, is this actually has a way to lock the trimmer and clipper. So say you're traveling and you don't want the trimmer to turn on in your bag, say you're getting on a flight or going on a long trip, you can hold down that button for 3 seconds and it'll put it in lock mode. So that way if the button does get bumped and it's locked, it won't turn on, it won't kill your battery while you're traveling. So that's a pretty cool feature that they added to both the clipper and the trimmer. So to initiate it, you just simply hold it down for 3 seconds and it'll unlock the clipper, and to lock it back up, you just hold it down for 3 seconds again and it'll lock it. So you'll see it again with this clipper here in a second. I thought the design on these was really cool. This clipper, as you can see, it has that notch on the side, which was a little hard to open at first. It just needed to be loosened up a little bit. Not even with a tool or anything. I just needed to move it a few times to get it loose a little bit. But yeah, it's got 5 notches on it, like most standard clippers do nowadays. And it's got that really nice gold blade, which I'll be talking more about in a second. But man, they really nailed just the comfort and the sturdiness of this clipper. So there's the blade I was going to talk about. As you can see, the teeth are actually meant to look like teeth that you'd see on like a wild animal or something, or like a shark. They're kind of like have the jagged edges to them, which really just helps the clipper just mow through thick hair or hair of any kind. It just delivers a cleaner and more efficient cut, and I've never seen any teeth like this on any other clipper, so this is pretty unique. So they also give you this nice little gold chain that's got a clipper on it that looks pretty close to the Fang. So moving along here, we're going to be getting into what is inside the box. Just a side note, they really crushed the packaging for this. I thought they did a really cool job with that. But yeah, here's, as you could just see there before, there was they give you a nice comb that has teeth on it, but also has a brush for fading and stuff like that. They give you 2 charging cables that are USB-Cs, 2 really nice sturdy charging bases, which barbers know that's super helpful, which is keeping your station organized. You can just sit your clipper and trimmer right up in the charging base. Here you have the various guards that the trimmer comes with, which is really nice for particularly like home use. If you're somebody that has a beard and you're looking for a beard trimmer, it's nice that it comes with these guards so you can maintain your beard at home. And then there you have the manual for the clipper and trimmer, everything you need to know. Suprent always gives you this really nice clipper blade oil, a nice tool right there. I'm assuming this is for adjusting the blades on either the clipper or trimmer if you want to zero gap them, although they came pretty sharp right out the box. But here's all your guards. You have all your standard 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 guards. They also have a 0.5 and a 1.5 guard. I must say with Suprent, every clipper I've used from them, their guards have been extremely high quality. They cut very similar to like the wall guards, but I would say they're even sturdier and more high quality than the wall guards. And I misspoke. I said they had up to 5. They actually have up to a 6 guard, which is really nice. So this is pretty much it. This is what comes in the box for the Suprent Fangs Clipper and Trimmer combo. If you're interested in purchasing, I will drop the link to purchase in the description below. But go check them out and check out other of Suprent's products, and I'll see you in the next video.